Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Take a look at this beautiful Monstera Deliciosa. I've had this plant for almost 2 years, and it's been growing in the same pot the entire time. To be honest, I haven't given it the care it deserved, so it has started growing in 2 different directions and has become a bit untidy. But that's about to change. In today's video, I'll repot this Monstera into a bigger pot, prune it properly, and use the cuttings to grow brand new Monstera plants. So, if you want to learn how to repot and propagate a Monstera successfully, stay with me till the end. Let's get started. I'll make one cut here and another cut here. The main stem will remain intact, allowing it to continue growing strong and healthy. Now, let's carefully take the plant out of the pot before we begin. As you can see, this plant has become completely root-bound after spending so long in the same pot. First, let's gently loosen the soil from the bottom. Then we'll carefully separate the roots of the cutting from the main plant without damaging them. Now let's carefully separate both cuttings from the main plant's root system, making sure not to damage the roots. Next, we'll apply some fungicide powder to the cut surfaces. This helps protect the cuttings from fungal infections and gives them a better chance to heal and grow successfully. Now, we'll trim a small portion of the roots from the bottom of the main plant to encourage fresh root growth. Then we'll replant it in the same pot using fresh potting mix. I'll also add some fungicide, bone meal, mustard cake, and neem cake powder to provide nutrients, protect the roots, and help the plant grow healthy and strong. Now, let's plant one of the cuttings in this large pot next to the green trellis. We'll enrich the soil with some fertilizer before planting, so it gets a healthy start. As it grows, the plant will use the trellis for support and climb upward, just as a Monstera naturally does. Now, let's plant the second cutting directly in the ground. I'll mix some fertilizer into the soil to give it the nutrients it needs for healthy growth. I'm not watering the plants right now because it's the rainy season here, and we've been getting rain almost every day. And just like that, we've turned one Monstera Deliciosa into 3 healthy plants. I'll share the progress of all these cuttings in part 2, so don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and thank you for staying with me until the end. See you in the next video.